Hello and welcome to Crafted Bricks. In this video, I want to show you two really simple mods that you can do to improve the look of your Technic 911 RSR race car model. Now, if you already own this set, I think you're going to find this video quite interesting. If you haven't yet bought this set and you're a fan of Technic Lego, particularly Technic cars, pick it up straight away. Don't hesitate. It is a superb model and looks amazing on display. The only thing that's an issue with this model, it does have 52 stickers and it does rely on those stickers a lot for its looks. But I can assure you that the effort of doing all those stickers is definitely worth the trouble. In the end, it is a superb display piece and I think you'd be very happy with it. It does suffer from two issues though, and that's what I want to talk about in this particular video. The main issue is that it sits way too high. If you have a look at the real world vehicle this particular Technic model is based on, you'll notice that particular race car sits very low to the ground, and also that the wheels fill up the wheel arches almost completely in the real life car. Whereas when we have a look back at this particular model, you notice it really is sitting quite high. You've got these very unsightly gaps between the wheels and the wheel arches here. And there's a simple fix to this. So RB Instructions on Rubricable has published how to fix this. He's got some instructions and the parts listed out for you. I'm going to show you that now on screen, and I'll put a link to this in the description of this video. Essentially, this mod works by compressing the suspension of the vehicle and lowering the model by about sort of one stud down. It does look a lot better and more aggressive when this mod is done, and I'll show you that soon on camera. The second thing that I want to fix is you'll notice here, and you notice if you built this, that there's a really strange gap between this sort of side or the top of the car and this Technic flex axle on the side, and it's on both sides. I don't know why the designer did this. It's a very easy fix. All you need to do is this connector here just needs to come back in one stud. To do that change, all you need to do is take a look at step 467 in the instruction manual. And you'll notice there in the yellow box on that particular instruction step for the sub-assembly there is a red 2L axle and a black 3L pin with a stop bush at the end. Simply replace those two parts with a 3L pin with 1L axle, and those come in a red or a dark bluish grey, it doesn't matter which colour you use. Simply replace those two parts with that part. You'll need two of these because there are two of these sub-assemblies to do. And then continue building as normal. And what that will do is move those two white Technic connectors that the flex axle threads through in one stud. And then that just brings that flex axle in line with the body of the vehicle and looks a lot better. I'm going to go ahead and do those mods off camera and come right back and show you what this all looks like.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back and I've modified the model. It only took about 5 minutes to make the changes, so they're extremely quick and easy to do, but I think make a great difference. And as you can see in the close-up view here, you can see the model is now sitting sort of a lot lower to the ground. We've gotten rid of those really large gaps between the wheels and the wheel arches. And we've also gotten rid of that gap between that Technic white flex axle on the side here. And you can see now it has a really nice clean line all the way from the front to the rear, and just looks that much better. Now, just to sort of get an appreciation for this again, I've taken some photos of this particular model. I just want to show you once again before the mods and now after. Before once again and now after. And in this photo here, you can also see that change to those flex axles. So on the left, I've done my modified version, and on the right, you can see the standard version there with that large unsightly gap. It's time to wrap this video up. I just wanted to share these two super simple mods to this vehicle that I think can make a great difference to how it looks. And I hope this video has inspired you to go ahead and make these changes for your own model. I will be featuring other Technic Lego sets in future videos. I'm a fan of Technic Lego, so if you like what you see here, please consider subscribing. More is on the way. And if you'd like to see some more photos of this particular model, I made a few other cosmetic changes that I haven't really spoken about, like adding in an extra seat, for example. You can check out the photos of this model on my Flickr page, and I'll put a link to that in the description of this video. So until I see you in the next video, happy building and take care. Bye.